A Money Resource Guide. Chapter 1. Money Resources. Money at the library. The local library can be a good source of information for money financial literacy. Some university and other private libraries allow individuals to use their reference materials. Check your local telephone directory for the location of nearby libraries. The Big Money section at the library is number 332 or HG 179 to about HG 4500 of the Library of Congress system. It covers everything from investments to real estate to credit to bankruptcy. Books about money for seniors are at number 332.024 or HG 179. Go to your library, find the money magazines and look through them for the past year to see what you come up with. There are about a dozen main ones and hundreds of obscure investment newsletters. Some money magazines are Kiplinger's Money, Your Money, Smart Money, Money World, Family Money, Ticker, and Morningstar Stock Investor. Business Week and Worth sometimes have good articles. Fortune has a good occasional article called 100 Fastest Growing Companies. Forbes and Inc. basically talk about companies and not specifically about stocks. Standard & Poor's Outlook puts out a master list which ranks companies to buy on a 5-star system. Get books about corporations at number 338.00-338.776. The Economics section of the World Almanac, number 317 at the library, neatly summarizes all the winning corporations for the current year. Go to number 381 and number 640.73 at the library for consumer assistance info. Check out some books in the number 362.1 section of your library that might tell you how to save money on healthcare and books at number 368.3 or HG 8061 that deal with health insurance. Check out number 368.38 or HG 8061 at your library for insurance books. Books about taxes are at number 336.20-90, 343.05 to number 343.7105, number 347.303 and number 352.44 at the library, HJ 2361 to HJ 4662 and KE 5759 KE 5864 of the Library of Congress system and the Government Documents section. Estate planning books, wills, probate, etc., are located at number 346.73 in the library. Books about funerals are at number 393 and 395.23 at the library. Books about cars are located at number 629 at your local library. At number 346 are civil law legal books in all manner of topics from marriage to death. If you're much of a consumer, go to your library or to the bookstore and get a hold of the Annual Consumer Reports Buying Guide. The same information is contained in the Consumer Reports Monthly magazine, which you can look at in the magazine stacks at the library. Books about bankruptcy are located at number 346.078 and number 346.73 at your local library. Try HG 179 or number 646.7 at the library for books about how to simplify your life financially. Ask a money question. agirlsworld.com/tesses/money-matters/yourturn.html. allexperts.com. allstocks.com/edu/ask_questions_when_investing.html. amas.com/finance_questions_aa.html. arriva.com/servlet/finance/interactive/faq form-n.html, ask a question, finance section. artofmoney.org/ask-questions. askmehelpdesk.com. askmrcreditcard.com. asktog.com. askusaquestion.com. askwhatever.co.uk. askyvon.com. dailyfinance.com. ehow.com, how to ask questions before investing in stocks. experian.com/ask_max. experts-exchange.com. freelanceswitch.com/question/ask-cyan-take-the-money-or-not. invest18.com/question.php, investmentclever.com/ask-questions.html, investmentnews.com, justinswer.com, kipelinger.com/columns/ask, menshealth.com/cda/ask-expert page, money-brokers.com, moneyinstructor.com, sec.gov/investors/pubs/askquestions.htm, theanswerbank.co.uk/business-in-finance, usaweekend.com/mail/ask_all.html, ask your money question here, winninginvesting.com/investingqa.htm, wisebread.com/forums/personal-finance. Chapter 2. A Financial Literacy Education Guide. Money education websites/money classes websites. This is about everyday money education. If you want to learn about the financial services industry to work there, take finance and business courses at college. f-matters.com, financial-freedom-education.com, afsaonline.org, the American Financial Services Association Education, themint.org, the Northwestern Mutual Foundation and the National Council on Economic Education, NC, partnered to emphasize personal financial literacy. afsaf.org, the American Financial Services Association Education Foundation, AFSAF. 66ways.org, Money Tips. aarp.org/money, afcpe.org, aimr.org, Investment Management and Research, amparpress.com/money_education.htm, budgetsim.org/nbs, National Budget Simulation, cbpp.uaa.alaska.edu/afrfb/acct201/acct201.htm, Principles of Financial Accounting, cfp.net/learn, Certified Financial Planner Board of Standards, choosetosave.org/resources, choose to save, resources. Financial security is one of the most important issues for most Americans. ConsumerCredit.com, American Consumer Credit Counseling, a non-profit, 501(c)(3) organization offering confidential credit counseling, debt management, and financial education to consumers nationwide. CounselFORECONT.org, Council for Economic Education, personal finance education programs, including the basics of entrepreneurship, geared for economics grade school teachers. cruise.org/curriculum/ex/comp/ci/8th grade/stkmkt, Stock Market Handbook. crown.org, a biblical-based curriculum in money management. dearborn.com. Education. education.com/magazine/article/beyond_the_piggy_bank_teaching. en.wikipedia.org/wiki/banking #sign types_of_banks, types executivelibrary.com/research.asp, Wall Street Executive Library. extension.org/pages/financial_security_for_all_approved_resources, Washington State University, extension, Financial Security for All Approved Resources, a list of approved resources and articles. factct.com. fame.org, Money Education. fdic.gov/consumers/consumer/moneysmart. fdic.gov/consumers/consumers/moneysmart/mscbuy/mscbuy.html. fdinet.com. federalreserveeducation.org. financial-edu.com. financial-education-icfe.org. financialfinesse.com, financial education for financialknowledge.net, on-site employee financial education courses held at companies and organizations across the USA. financialknowledge.com, financiallearn.com, financiallearnctr.com, financiallearningfoundation.org, 800-964-8929, financiallearningnetwork.com, financiallit.org, Institute for Financial Literacy. The mission of the Institute for Financial Literacy is to make effective financial literacy education available for all American adults. findarticles.com, the financial knowledge of college freshmen. finpipe.com, fool.com/school.htm, Motley Fool, School of Investing. ft.com/home/us, Financial Times, money.cnn.com/magazine/money/money101/lesson4, how to invest. ftknowledge.com, the financial training arm of the Financial Times. gemoney.com/everydaymoney.html. icfe.info, Institute of Consumer Financial Education. infosourcespub.com. infotoday.com/catalog/books. investorguide.com. investorguide.com/igup1-introduction-to-investing-basics.htm, investing basics. investors.com/financial dictionary, financial dictionary. irs.gov/newsroom/article/0, ID =98248,00.html, wage and tax reporting system, IRS basics. ja.org, junior achievement. jcampbellfinancial.com. jumpstart.org. jumpstartcoalition.org, Jumpstart Coalition for Personal Finance Literacy. kesd.com, e-learning courses in banking and finance. knowledgefinancial.com, real estate is the key. learnersonline.com. learn-financial.com, London School of Business. metlife.com. metlife.com/individual/life-advice/personal-finance, money. money.cnn.com/magazine/money-mag/money101, money101. money.org, the American Numismatic Association. money.org/content/navigation menu/explore the world of money/education/default.htm. moneyeducation.com. money-education.com. moneyinstructor.com. moneymanagement.org, a non-profit community service organization offering free credit counseling and financial education. moneymanagement.org/education. moneyskill.org, free. mudirect.missouri.edu/degprog/financialplanning.shtm. multiplestreamsofincome.com. myfinancialknowledge.com. mymoney.gov, Financial Literacy Education Commission. myvesta.org, formerly Debt Counselors of America, dedicated to educating consumers about debt, credit cards, mortgages, loans, bankruptcy, credit counseling, creditors, debt collectors and debt help solutions. nefi.org, National Endowment for Financial Education, improving the financial well-being of all Americans. nfcc.org, National Foundation for Credit Counseling. online-education.net, online finance degrees. Organizations. pathtoinvesting.org. practicalmoneyskills.com. rickadadcoaching.com. rickadadwisdom.com. sbs.oxford.edu/mfe, MSc in Financial Economics. sec.gov/investor.shtml, investor education and assistance. smartaboutmoney.org, NEF reaches out to all Americans who want to learn how to improve their financial. smartpros.com, Smart Pros accounting portal. smginc.com, computer-based business simulations and multimedia training. tfsd.com. trlib.org/finra-guide.htm, Your Money, a guide to reaching your financial goals, an information guide that can help you prepare to invest, teach you key investment concepts, help you understand common types of investments and much more. tutorialized.com/tutorials/learn-financial-accounting-and-bookkeeping. usa.gov/citizen/topics/education_training.html. usaedfoundation.org. video.moneymanagement.org, Money Management International Financial Education Videos. wharton.upenn.edu. whatsmyscore.org, educators, parents, and students can access free educational resources including personal finance articles, games and lesson plans. wife.com, women. wife.org, Women's Institute for Financial Education. Money Education Resources. AFSA Education Foundation. 919 18th Street NW. Washington, D.C. 20006-5517. Phone, 202-466-8611. Fax, 202-223-0321. afsaf.org. Consumer Information Center. Pueblo, Colorado 81009. 888-878-3256. Publications.usa.gov. The Consumer Information Center is a clearinghouse for free or low-cost booklets published by various federal agencies. FDIC.gov. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation has a variety of consumer publications in print and on the Internet explaining deposit insurance, equal credit opportunity, etc.